Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know the ways to download all photos from Google Photos. In order to do it so, open up a browser and on the web address bar type in the link that is www.downloadsallphoto, that is photos.google.com. It is going to take you to their official page, which is going to look something like this. So what next you need to do is you just have to go ahead and press on the profile icon from the top right hand side bar, go to manage Google account. When you actually press on that, from the left hand side bar, click on data and privacy. Next thing, you need to scroll down to the bottom and go to apps and services. Here, press the arrow icon next to it and you need to go and locate Google Photos. When you tap on the download data button, now you need to go ahead and select all of these, press the continue button, follow the prompt, and with that you should have successfully downloaded all photos from Google Photos. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.